Everybody, Desert Guardian here, and today I'm going to make a couple of modifications to my Glock 19X. So I have the TLR-1 HL from Streamlight that I'm going to put on, and I have this gorgeous compensator from Archon Manufacturing that they sent out to me to check out. So let's take a look. So the comp will get put on first. Comes with a nice set of instructions and of course an Allen wrench to install it. So we'll set that aside. The first thing we're going to do, drop the magazine, make sure we're clear, and disassemble the 19X. It wants to behave. There we go. So we'll just set the frame aside, pop out the return spring. We'll take the thread protector off the backup tactical barrel, and we're going to set that aside because obviously the comp's going on. So what we're going to do is we're going to leave the barrel in there. We're going to take the Archon Manufacturer comp. Now this has got a really nice secure clamping style attachment. You know, instead of having set screws that actually screw and just make contact with the barrel, this has a nice little clamping system. So it squeezes, it presses it together. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to thread this on, and we're going to go all the way in till it bottoms out, and then we'll get it set up so it's straight. And one thing I love about this is it's the same size, same width as a Glock slide. So if I set it like this, it's almost like using a straight edge. So I can take out the supplied Allen wrench, and we're gonna kind of finger tighten that side on. Flip it over, still sitting all nice and straight. And we'll get this side on here. So like I said, the clamping style mechanism here, it presses these two pieces together and clamps down on the threads instead of, you know, pushing a set screw directly into the threads or into the barrel itself. So there we go. The comp is actually on. So we're going to throw the return spring back in. There we go. Put the slide back on the frame. And there we go. That's the Archon Manufacturing comp that I've got on there. It's a great design. I really like the cuts in it, and the shape of it is very unique and very classy. I cannot wait to get this to the range. So next piece I'm going to put on is this gorgeous new TLR-1 HL from Streamlight. So this already has the Glock insert in it. You can see it says GL on it for Glock. I presume that's what the GL is for, but it does have multiple inserts. So if you want to put it on a 1911 or you have a different rail it needs to go into, you've got different inserts that come with it. This one's the Glock one because, as you know, Glocks only come with a Glock rail. So we loosen this side up, and this is a nice little attachment mechanism. You push this in like this side opens up. So we'll line that up, push and release, and then we can tighten this side up. I'm just going to finger tighten it for now, but you can use a coin or something to tighten that up. So there you go. There's the Archon Manufacturing comp and the TLR-1 HL from Streamlight. Ooh, that's bright. Yeah, nice little setup. So if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them below. But I'm going to do a second video, follow up on this at the range so we can really test out this comp. And that's from Archon Manufacturing. I'm going to put links below to where you can pick up one of these comps. Super cool guys over there. Adam sent this out to me and said, hey, I want you to beat the snot out of this thing, put some rounds through it, and tell me what you think. So that's what we're going to do. So far so good. Very classy look. Looks great on there with the new light. But yeah, questions, comments, concerns, leave them below. Check out the links. Hit that subscribe button. That's it for now. Desert Guardian, out.